Silence builds authority in a world that rewards noise, shouting, and constant explanation. True power is often silence. Sa panahon ngayon na lahat gustong magsalita at magpakitang gilas, the strongest people are the one who don't need to prove anything. Today, let me share a message that goes deep into the heart. Silence builds authority. This is not just motivation. This is wisdom. This is life. This is for you. Silence is not weakness. Silence is control. When you stay silent, you choose wisdom over emotion, depth over noise, and strength over reaction. Hindi lahat ng laban kailangang sagutin. Hindi lahat ng insulto kailangang ipaliwanag. Hindi lahat ng opinyon kailangan mong patulan. When you stop explaining yourself to people who already decided not to understand you, you regain your power. Ang taong tahimik ay hindi madaling maprovoke. Hindi naghahabol ng validation. Hindi nabubuhay sa approval ng iba. Their presence speaks louder than words. Proverbs 17:27. He who has knowledge spares his words, and a man of understanding is of a calm spirit. A wise person does not speak too much. Knowledge brings restraint. Understanding brings calmness. Ang taong may karunungan ay marunong manahimik. Ang taong may pangunawa ay may payapang espiritu. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka kailangang maingay para maging tama. Silence trains your soul. It teaches patience. It protects your dignity. Kapag tahimik ka, mas malinaw kang mag-isip. Mas malakas ang loob mo. Mas ramdam ang presensya. People will start to listen because you no longer talk just to be heard. Minsan, ang panalo ay hindi sa dami ng salita, kundi sa kakayahang manahimik at maghintay. Authority is not demanded. Authority is felt. If you're watching this and you feel misunderstood, if you're tired of explaining yourself, if you feel ignored, disrespected, or unseen, this message is for you. Hindi ka mahina dahil tahimik ka. Hindi ka talo dahil hindi ka sumasagot. You are growing. You are evolving. You are becoming unshakable. Sometimes, God removes your voice so your character can speak. If this message touched your heart, don't let it end here. This channel is a safe space for wisdom, strength, and deep life truth. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share. Every subscribe tells me you want more meaning. Every share helps someone who is silently struggling. Every follow keeps you connected to messages that heal, strengthen, and awaken. Remember this. Not everyone deserves your explanation. Not everyone moment needs your voice. Sometimes silence is the loudest proof of strength. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And I'll see you again in the next video.